Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of vectors. Exercise 5.1, question number 13. That is, if the vectors 2i cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap and 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap are collinear, find the value of q. In answer, we write first that is AB vector, AB bar vector and BC bar vector. Find here and consider. Let AB bar is equal to first equation, that is 2i cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap. We will give equation number first and consider B to C bar, that is BC bar is equal to second equation, that is 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Take the common term here, that is common term is 2, remaining term in bracket, that is 2i cap minus 5 divided by 2 into j cap plus 6k cap. It is the value of BC bar. Therefore, BC bar divided by 2 is equal to, we get 2i cap minus 5 divided by 2 into j cap plus 6k cap, that is 3k cap we get value. Therefore, here 3k cap. We will give equation number second. Therefore, the given vectors are collinear. Therefore, the given vectors are collinear. Given vectors are collinear, therefore the value of AB bar is equal to 1 divided by 2 into BC bar. Put the values of here AB bar and BC bar. We get at the value of AB bar, that is 2i cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap is equal to the value of 1 divided by 2 into BC bar, that is 2i cap minus 5 divided by 2 into j cap plus 3k cap. The equality of vectors we get the value of q, that is minus qj is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 into j. J get cancelled and we get the value of minus q is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Multiply both the sides of equation, above equation minus 1, we get value of only q, that is q is equal to 5 divided by 2. It is the value of q. Then next question. Question number 14. Are the 4 points, that is A 1 minus 1 1, B minus 1 1 1 and C 1 1 1 and D is 2 minus 3 4 are coplanar, and justify your answer. Here 4 points, that is A, B, C and D. Let me take its position vectors, that is small a bar, small b bar, small c bar and d bar are the position vectors of point above. are the position vectors. Of points A, B, C and D respectively. That is the position vector. Then point given here, that is A point, that is equal to 1, -1 and 1. Therefore the position vector of A, that is small a bar, is equal to I cap minus j cap, that is -1, and plus k cap 1. Then we find point B is equal to -1, 1 and 1, its points. Then its position vector small b bar is equal to -1. We get minus I cap plus 1, that is plus j cap plus 1 plus k cap. Then third point, that is C, is equal to all the positive terms 1, 1 and 1. Therefore the C bar is equal to position vector of C, that is C bar is equal to 1 is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And last point, that is D, point D, that is equal to 2 minus 3, 4. Then its position vector, that is D bar, is equal to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. That is the small d bar position vector. Then now we find the AB bar, that is equal to second point, that is B bar minus A bar. Put the values of B bar and A bar here. We get value of B bar is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Put here. Then minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Then minus A bar. Minus A bar, value of A bar is I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Put here. I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Then I cap plus j cap plus k cap. We get minus I cap minus minus plus j cap minus plus, we get minus k cap. Then here minus I cap minus I cap. Then plus j cap plus j cap plus k cap and minus k cap. Plus k cap minus k cap get cancelled. We get here minus I cap plus minus I cap. We get that is minus 2 I cap plus j cap 2 j cap. That is the value of AB bar. AB bar is equal to minus 2I plus 2j. Then we find the value of AC bar. AC bar is equal to second position vector, that is C bar minus A bar. Again here put the value of C bar and A bar. That is equal to value of C bar, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And then value of A bar, that is I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Minus I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Multiply the minus symbol and we get I cap plus j cap plus k cap as it is, then minus I cap minus minus plus j cap minus plus minus k cap plus I cap minus I cap get cancel plus k cap minus k cap get cancel, and we get value only j cap plus j cap, that is 2j cap. It is the value of AC bar. Then we find here AD bar is equal to D bar minus A bar. Put here values of D bar and A bar. Then we get value of D bar is 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap minus value of A bar is I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Multiply the second bracket to minus, and first bracket we write as it is, that is 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap minus I cap minus minus plus J cap minus plus we get minus K cap. 2I cap minus I cap we get I cap minus 3J cap plus J cap we get minus 2J cap. 4K cap minus K cap we get 3K cap. It is the value of AD bar. Let the AB bar, AC bar and AD bar, all the terms AB bar, AC bar and AD bar be given coplanar. Therefore we denote AB bar is equal to constant term M into AC bar plus constant term N into AD bar. At that time AB, AC and AD vectors are coplanar. Then put here values AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. Therefore the value of AB bar, that is minus 2I plus 2J. Then put here AB bar value, that is minus 2I cap plus 2J cap is equal to M is constant term, then value of AC bar, that is 2J cap, AC bar is 2J cap, then M into in bracket 2J cap plus N, AD bar is I cap minus 2J cap plus 3K cap, put here. Then N in term I cap minus 2J cap plus 3K cap, it is the value of AD bar. Then we multiply M and N. Then we get minus 2I cap plus 2J cap is equal to 2 into M, that is 2M J cap plus N into I, Ni cap, N into minus 2J we get minus 2N J cap, N into 3K we get 3N K cap. We write above equation such a way, that is minus 2I cap plus 2J cap is equal to common term here, constant term, that is 2M and 2N. Then remaining terms that is Ni cap plus J cap, remaining term in bracket we write that is 2M minus here 2N, and last term that is 3N K cap, that is 3N K cap. We use the equality of factors here. Equality of factors, that is I cap, J cap and K cap. We get minus 2I cap is equal to Ni cap. Therefore minus 2 I cap is equal to n I cap. I get cancelled and we get the value of n is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the value of n is equal to minus 2. We will give equation number first. Then remaining term, that is j term, 2j cap is equal to j cap into 2m minus 2n. 2j cap is equal to j cap into 2m minus 2n. J cap get cancelled and we get the values of 2m minus 2n is equal to 2. We will give equation number second. Then third term, that is k term is not here, that is 0, and here 3n k. Then we write 3n is equal to 3n k is equal to 0k, k get cancelled and we get 3n is equal to 0. We will give equation number third here. Then we write from equation first and equation second. From equation first and equation second, we put the value of n is equal to minus 2 in equation second. Then we get 2m minus 2n is equal to 2. Put the value of n is minus 2 here. Then 2m minus 2 into 2 is equal to 2. Then 2m minus 2 into minus 2, we get plus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2m is equal to 2 minus 4. Then 2m is equal to minus 2. Then value of m is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled and we get the value of m is equal to minus 1. Then from equation first and equation third. Equation first is n is equal to minus 2 and equation third is 3n is equal to 0. Put the value of n is minus 2. Therefore, equation third is 3n is equal to 0. We put the value of n is minus 1. Minus 2. Therefore, 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. But the multiplication of 3 into minus 2, we get minus 6. That is not equal to 0. Therefore, the value of n is equal to minus 2 does not satisfy equation number third. Therefore, our assumption first is wrong. That is, AB bar, AC bar and AD bar are not coplanar. These three vectors are not coplanar. Therefore, the 4 points, that is A, B, C and D, are not coplanar. Okay, we will stop here.